Imagine waking up 200,000 years ago. No cities, no houses, no roads, just endless wilderness. Every sound could mean danger. Every shadow could hide a predator. You don't own the land. You don't rule nature. You are at the bottom of the food chain. The sun begins to disappear. The temperature drops. The forest becomes silent. That silence isn't peaceful. It's a warning. Something is watching you. You can't see it yet, but it already sees you. Your heart starts racing. Every instinct tells you to run. But where? The trees won't protect you. The rocks won't save you. The darkness belongs to predators. Then, two glowing eyes appear. They never blink. They never look away. A giant cave lion steps forward, nearly twice the size of a modern lion. Hundreds of pounds of muscle, razor-sharp claws, teeth built to crush bone, and it's staring directly at you. You have no rifle, no knife, not even a spear. Your hands are empty. Your fingernails are useless. Your teeth can't defend you. You can't outrun it. You can't overpower it. You can't hide forever. So here's the real question. Why didn't humans go extinct? Why are we still here while creatures like this disappeared? The answer isn't strength. It isn't speed. It's something evolution never expected. For millions of years, humans weren't the hunters. We were the hunted. Every morning was a gamble. Every night was a nightmare. Ancient predators ruled the earth. They were faster than us, stronger than us, better armed than us, and far more experienced at killing. Saber-toothed cats waited in tall grass. They didn't chase. They ambushed. One perfect strike, one bite to the throat, and it was over. Giant cave hyenas hunted in packs. They could crush thick bones. Their jaws were terrifying. Alone, no human could survive them. Massive bears wandered the forests, standing taller than any man, powerful enough to break bones with one swipe. Wolves hunted together, patient, silent, relentless. They followed weakness, and they never rushed. Even snakes could end your life in seconds. There was danger everywhere, in the trees, along the rivers, across the open plains, even inside dark caves. Humans had almost nothing. No claws, no fangs, no thick skin, no incredible speed, no deadly venom. Compared to other animals, we looked weak. We looked helpless. By every rule of nature, humans should have disappeared. But somehow, we refused to become extinct. Everything changed with a single discovery: fire. It wasn't just warmth, it was survival. Before fire, night belonged to predators. Humans stayed hidden. Every sound meant danger. Every shadow felt alive. After sunset, fear controlled everything. Then humans learned to control flames. Suddenly, darkness wasn't unbeatable anymore. Predators hesitated. Most wild animals avoided fire. That small circle of light became humanity's first safe zone. Families gathered around it. Hunters could finally rest. But fire did something even bigger. It gave humans extra hours. Hours to think. Hours to plan. Hours to teach. Stories were shared. Skills were passed down. Mistakes became lessons. Knowledge stopped disappearing. Fire also changed food. Meat became easier to eat. It became safer. It provided more usable energy, stronger bodies, smarter minds. Generation after generation, humans kept improving, slowly, but constantly. Nature had created stronger animals. Humans created better ideas. Every challenge became a lesson. Every lesson became an advantage, and every advantage increased the odds of survival. This was only the beginning. Fire didn't make humans powerful. It made humans possible. The greatest weapon was still waiting, and it would change history forever. The next advantage wasn't strength. It wasn't speed. It was endurance. Humans are terrible sprinters. Most predators can outrun us, but only for a short time. Humans are built differently. We sweat. We cool our bodies while moving. We don't have to stop every few minutes. We simply keep going. 1 mile, then another, then another. Ancient hunters understood this. They didn't chase at full speed. They followed patiently, step after step, hour after hour. The prey would sprint away, then stop to recover. Humans never stopped. They kept walking. They kept running. The animal became exhausted. Its body overheated. Every escape became slower. Every minute reduced its chances. Eventually, it couldn't run anymore. That's when humans moved in. Not with claws, not with fangs. Intelligence defeated instinct. But there was one final advantage. It mattered more than fire, more than endurance, more than tools. Humans worked together. They planned. They communicated. They trusted each other. Alone, a human was prey. Together, humans became hunters. And the world would never be the same again. But humanity's greatest weapon had only just begun. One human could be defeated. 10 humans became unstoppable. That was our greatest invention. Teamwork. Every person had a purpose. One tracked footprints. Another searched for danger. Someone protected the children. Others prepared weapons. No one survived alone. They survived together. Then something extraordinary happened. Humans developed language. Not simple sounds. Complex ideas, plans, warnings, stories, knowledge. A single sentence could save an entire tribe. Don't go near the river. Lions hunt there at sunset. One lesson could protect generations. Then came better tools, sharper stone blades, stronger wooden spears, weapons that kept predators at a distance. For the first time, humans didn't need to fight up close. Distance became our advantage. Every generation improved the last. Better tools, better strategies, better communication, better survival. Slowly, the hunters became the hunted. The balance of nature changed. The world's deadliest predators disappeared, not because humans were the strongest, but because humans adapted the fastest. Every weakness inspired an invention. Every failure became a lesson. Every lesson became an advantage. That's the real story of humanity. We didn't inherit the earth. We earned it by refusing to give up and by never stopping learning.